Today, we're going to share 3 tips with you on real estate investing. Real Estate Investing 101. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Hi, my name's Tony Wallis. I'm a realtor here with Keller Williams in Bedford, New Hampshire. In this video today, we're going to share 3 tips with you for Real Estate Investing 101. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Make sure you find a really good lender. They are such an important part of the cog in the wheel and part of the process. So, I recommend that you vet a couple different 3 lenders. I've got a list of questions I can share with you. Just reach out to me in terms of asking what to ask a lender. They can be the difference between getting a deal and not getting a deal. So make sure you have a great lender. That's number 1. Tip number 2, find your lane. Super important to understand how you want to invest. Do you want to go into lower rent district? Do you want to go into a higher rent district? Do you want to invest in a single family home that you go in, you buy it, you flip it? Do you want to go in and maybe you rehab it, you rent it, you hold it? So there's a buy and hold strategy, there's a flip strategy. It's also a BRRRR strategy. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. So there's lots of different options. You just got to make sure it's an area that you're comfortable with. And if you don't know what, you have to have people around you that can help you and guide you. So figure out what your lane is, get after it. 3rd tip, arguably the most important, know your numbers. You need to run numbers on properties again and again and again and again until you get so comfortable with it that it becomes super easy. There's a great calculator on BiggerPockets. I highly suggest you become a member in BiggerPockets. It's an amazing community, fantastic resources, great way to learn, some really cool calculation tools. Highly recommend it. I've also got, at the end of this video, I've got a calculator that we use in an Excel spreadsheet, which mirrors what you have on BiggerPockets. You got to know your numbers. At the end of the day, investing is all about the numbers. So you got to make sure that you know how to run numbers, you know how to run variables, you know how to look at things in different ways so you can understand what's a good deal and what's not. Again, my name is Tony Wallis. I'm a realtor here with Keller Williams in Bedford, New Hampshire. If you ever have any questions on investing, any real estate questions at all, please reach out. Contact information is in the banner. And in the link down below, you'll see a link to our Excel spreadsheet, which is a buy and hold calculator, very similar to the one in BiggerPockets. Great tool. Hope you find it helpful. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. If you found value in what you saw today, click here. More content, more video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.